All right, I am going to write a note here because I know a lot of you don't watch these videos with the sound on. So if you're listening with the sound on, there's going to be a pause, and then I'm going to write something, and then I'm going to unpause it. So. All right, so I just wrote this. Please pause the video and read this. And here it is in Spanish. So again, pause the video. Por favor, pausa el video y lee este texto de arriba antes de empezar. Okay, so now the job is to replace these things with your things. All right, so now I need you to replace my example of pen lines with your own. You need 20 lines. This has to stay append. Necesitas 20 líneas como estas. Primero necesitas decidir lo que vas a hacer. First, you need to decide what you're going to do. So I'm going to do English to Spanish. So yes is sí. No is no. Let's not do no. That's ridiculous. Maybe. Tal vez. And then copy this line. And let's see. Let's do house. Casa. I'm going to copy this line. I'm going to paste it 17 times. And I'm going to say car, coche, school, escuela, teacher, maestra, friend, amigo, class, clase, book, libro, food, comida, shirt, misa, I'm going to say now, you finish this with your own words. Termina la lista con tus propias palabras. You finish with your own words. All right, then down here, we're going to say translate to Spanish. And I will say correcto. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, so now let's run. Translate to Spanish, yes. Sí. Incorrecto. Or did I do a capital? No. Oh, I had these reversed. Correcto. Incorrecto. Sí. Tal vez. Pasa. Sí. And if I get one wrong, it says incorrecto. Okay. So this is the beginning of the program. We're very much not done. I'm going to pause for a second. Okay, so a couple things. Before we start asking questions, we're going to say, today I'm going to quiz you on your English, Spanish translations. So you need to say what is going on. And then we're going to count how many questions the user gets right and how many they get wrong. So we're going to make a variable called correct, and we're going to set it, we're going to say wrong, and we're going to set it equal to 0. Now, every time they get one wrong, we're going to say wrong, wrong equals wrong plus 1. And then when the for loop is over, which is down here, print, you got, let's see, we'll do 20 minus wrong answers correct. So let's check that. I'm going to say C, and then I'm going to get all the rest wrong. It says you got 2 answers correct. C, I don't think I got 2 answers correct. 20 minus wrong. Oh, I must not have, I don't have the right number of questions. So there you go. That should be 20 questions. In this case, I got 1 right and I got 19 wrong. And so it should have said I got 1 answer correct. And we can put that in a parentheses, so it's enter or answers. Okay, and then another thing I'm asking you to do is when they get it wrong, I want you to tell them what the right answer was. Also, let's put a blank line in between each one. So then after they get it wrong, I want you to, if they get it wrong, I want you to say what the right answer was. And that's x sub 1. So let's take a look. Yes. Sí. Correcto. Maybe. Tal vez. Incorrecto. Correct answer was tal vez. See how that works? En casa. Cita. No. Okay. And then when I go through all of them, you got 1 answer correct. There you go. I think what I want is to put a space here and a space here and a space here, so that those things are sort of indented inside the question. And then I think we're done, but I'm going to double check. Yeah, I just went and looked at the assignment, and that is it. So you need 20 questions, and you need to say what is going to happen, and you need to say what you're doing here, and you need to say when it's correct and incorrect, and when it's wrong, you have to say what the correct answer was, and then finally, I need you to paste a copy of your actual output running through all 20 questions here, and you need to get at least 1 correct so I can see that you don't just hit enter through the whole thing. And you need to have your spelling and punctuation and upper and lowercase be consistent and accurate. And there's 3 extra credit options available to you if you're interested in making the program more interesting and powerful.